Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. Uh, Before we start, please let me know if everything is okay with the sound, if you can hear me, see me. So let's wait another 30 seconds maybe, and we can start our session, okay? I'm going to check on my side if everything is working. It should do, but it's good to check. Okay, it looks like everything should be working. Good morning. All okay, good. All right then. So guys, let's start our live trading session. Hopefully uh, this week will bring us a lot of profits because this week is the last week for me for trading because I'm not trading after this week. I will have a break till January. Yes, usually second part of December it might be tricky. So it's better to stay away because there is less liquidity on the market. We can expect ranges or unexpected moves. So it's better to stay away. So we got, I think, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's gonna be last day for us. And let's have a look what happened last week because last week on Friday we made plan during live trading session and we got some profits. You can see I got $20,000 on account. It's not 50 yet, but we still got 3 days to make another $30,000. So hopefully this week will be good for us. All right. So what happened last week? Let's check it out. This is the plan from last week. We made this plan during morning session, and this is crude oil. Okay, crude oil, and there was target from all-in ASAP strategy. So the price was moving in rotation channel, bearish rotation channel. Also, you can see on the screen we had a strong support resistance zone and bearish rotation channel. I was expecting a reaction at this area, somewhere around support resistance zone and top of rotation channel. And the plan was to break out. One second. The plan was we were expecting reaction at the top of rotation channel or support resistance zone, breakout, retest, and we should enter the trade. I told you that sometimes we can we can set pending order on crude oil because many times you can see that if we can expect something like this, if they're breaking out, they can go straight down, like here, maybe here. So if they're breaking down, usually they don't do retest. So I've opened the position after the breakout of the trend line from 1 minute time frame. I didn't get to full take profit because I had to close position because I was going away. So I've got maybe not full, but still happy. $7,000, $7,380 made last week on our live trading session. Actually, after live trading session, I've entered the position somewhere around here from 1 minute time frame, and quick one because when they did it quite quick. So quick profits basically, and guys, this was 45 minutes. This trade took 45 minutes. So I have $20,000. I told you I want to make $50,000 till 17. So we're gonna try to do that. So let's check first microeconomic calendar. Then we're gonna move to the charts and we're gonna try to find some opportunities on the market. Okay. All right. So let's check microeconomic calendar. Let's go. Yes, morning. Yes, Bartek, away from the market. I will be doing same. Yes, trust me. I try to trade in the second part of December few times already, and I always had losses. So uh, it's better to relax, take your time, spend time with your family. You know, it's end of the year. Um, you can review the whole year, what you did wrong, what you did right, what you can improve. So it's a good time to do that, guys. All right, let's check my Forex Factory calendar. Today is Monday, the 15th of December. We are looking at high impact news, and usually in Forex Factory, they are marked as red. So, red folder means it's high impact. In the morning, nothing special going on. Later on, we got 2:30. We got CPI in Canada. This is very important. So we need to include that in our trading plan if we want to look for opportunities on Canadian dollar. So let's say USD CAD can be affected 2:30 p.m. So the rest of the day is looking good, nothing special. So I think it's a good date for trading. So guys, let's move on to MT4 and let's look for some opportunities. We're gonna start from Euro USD, and in the morning, like you already know, we are using all in ASAP strategy. So we need to look for the targets. We're gonna check if we got any targets close by and if we can use them. Okay. Right. Let me just click the targets. We have target which is above the price, this one here, but I'm pretty sure this target is already settled. This target is from 11th of December, and look, the price got to this target like half pips away. So for me, this target is done, okay? And this one also here as well. It was 1 pips away. So let's say this one is also done. So we don't have any targets close by. So if you want to use all in ASAP strategy, it might be hard for us. To be honest, if when I'm looking at 4 hour time frame, we can see that the price is moving in rotation channel and we are somewhere at the top. So we have a chance to drop down. Okay, we don't have any target, but probably we can use different strategy. Not on this session, but I will look for the trade later on, maybe from smart money concept to find. Um, a place for me to open the trade to get to the other side of rotation channel. Okay, this might be good idea, but we are using all in ASAP strategy, so no targets. We can move straight to the GBP USD. Okay, let's see if we got any targets. Okay, one target is 45 pips away. Okay, let me just remove this rotation channel. So, guys, let me know how was your trading week last week? Any profits? Any losses? Morning, morning. Okay, clusters. 45 pips. I think we might get there because average trading range is around 70 pips on BBP USD. So we can do that. Let's check 4 hour time frame and let's find out if we got any rotation channel, maybe which market structure is it at this moment. But I'm afraid we are in bearish market structure. It looks bullish, but we're gonna uh, check it in a second. Nice, okay. 4 hour time frame because actually I'm afraid we had swing over here and here. This means we are in bearish market structure from 4 hour time frame, but guys, it looks bullish. Let's check micro, not micro, rotation channel. Okay, this is looking very good. This is looking very, very good. Okay, look at this rotation channel. We have nice reactions from the bottom, from the top, and the price is somewhere around bottom of rotation channel. So this area is very important because from here we can go straight to this target, or after the breakout, uh, we might drop down. So let's make a plan. I can see over here strong support resistance zone right in this place. And if this support resistance zone will hold the price and we're going to see reaction here, we might have a chance to get to the target, which is above the price at this moment. Okay. So let's check also clusters. I'm going to move to 1 hour time frame. Okay. We have a cluster on the way. Uh, is it a problem? Not really. It's not a problem. Let me explain this 1 second. This is previous week, previous high. Okay. Because we have a cluster on the way, we don't need to worry too much because we can wait for the breakout and retest maybe of this cluster, and then we can decide if we want to open this trade or not. Okay. Let's check how far are we, about 12 pip. Okay. And also add some kind of resistance line. This might help us to make a decision. Okay. 47 pips. Okay. All right. So we are at support resistance zone. This support zone needs to hold the price, because if we're going to break through, there is a chance that the price will drop. Maybe today or tomorrow, maybe whole next week we're gonna drop down. So we are in very important place, but I think we got a chance to get to this target because we are still in bullish rotation channel. We just need to wait for the right conditions. Okay. Friday sell off made the week extra special in the Nasdaq. Nice. Very nice. Lorenzo, I think you closed the trade. Was it gold? No, USD right? I think Lorenzo opened the trade. Was it USD I can't remember now. Okay, so can we do it from lower time frame? Probably yes, because we are at this area. We are got cluster here as well. So basically, we can try to open the trade from lower time frame, from 5 minutes time frame, because we're gonna have a little bit space to this cluster right here. So if the price will get here, we can set break even. If they're gonna come back down, we are not losing anything. We can re-enter the position. Okay, so we can try to do it from 5 minutes time frame. Yes, GBP. Okay, nice. Very good. So we are breaking through, guys. We might have a chance to open position in the minutes, maybe 5, 10 more minutes. We need just retest. So breakout and retest, and we're gonna try to enter the position. So let me just zoom it out. If we're gonna enter here, the stop loss will be under the support resistance zone, and we can get 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, maybe 1 to 2.5. We will see. Good morning, Zbyszek. Good morning. Gold. Yes, we're gonna check gold in a second. We're gonna check gold in a second. So let's wait for this situation, and we're gonna try to open the trade, but we need to wait for a few more candles from 5 minutes time frame. So let me just make a screenshot. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the trading journal. All in ASAP strategy. So today is the 15th of December. Okay, and this is GBP USD. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. Price is moving in bullish rotation. Just stopped at channel and strong. Price is moving in bullish rotation channel, just stopped at bottom of this channel and strong support resistance zone. Uh, Waiting for the price to break and retest resistance line. I will enter trade. If I enter the trade, I will have to secure trade when the price will reach. mm, Okay, I'll set break even. Okay, if we're gonna get to the cluster, we're gonna set break even to secure the trade. We are breaking through, so we might open position very soon. We just need to wait for the price to break through, and we're gonna wait for the retest. Okay, if not, we might go straight up. No worries. We're gonna wait. We can do it from 1 hour time frame. So if we're gonna break through, we're gonna wait for the pullback and we're gonna try to enter the position maybe after retest of this cluster. Okay, so yeah. So if we're gonna break through, the price will come back. We can do it like this. Also, there is a chance that we're gonna get here. The price will drop again, and maybe after we're gonna have our chance. We will see. Maybe even tomorrow. This setup, the second one, it might be tomorrow because who knows? Today is Monday. The price may move in the range, so uh, they can move somewhere around the bottom of rotation channel. But we are looking for specific situation. If everything is gonna work, we're gonna open the trade. Hopefully, we're gonna do it from 5 minutes time frame. But who knows? So I'm gonna make a screenshot as well. What's going on? Okay. I'm gonna put that in the trading journal. Okay. All right, so we know what's going on GBP USD. Let's wait a few more minutes, and in the meantime, let's check USD CHF if we have any targets close by. There is one target down the bottom. We are in bearish market structure, but to be honest, this target uh, it's okay, but I think it's gonna be better if we're gonna wait for the price to retest the support resistance zone. Because you can see we are after the strong impulse. This is 4 hour time frame. The price dropped without any pullback. So we need to pull back from this strong impulse right here. Okay, I'm gonna measure it from the top. Let's do it like that. So 38.2 is somewhere around the support resistance zone from 4 hour time frame. So I think it's gonna be much better to wait for the price to get here, and maybe after reaction we're gonna be able to drop down. But at this moment, I'm afraid I'm not able to open the trade unless we got cluster somewhere here. Maybe we can set order for reaction. Okay, let's check it out. No, not really. We don't have any cluster close by, so we're gonna have to leave it. It might be too risky to open the trade somewhere here because, like I said, we are after the strong impulse down, and it can be hard. No, let's leave it. I don't want to uh, do it now. I will wait for the pullback from 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame so we can get to this area, and from here it will be much better for us to open the trade when I get here. We might have our chance. Okay, so maybe later, I'm not sure, we're gonna come back to this asset maybe later on during US session. We will see. USDCAD. What's going on over here? No targets. Oh, there is targets. If we're gonna have a cluster at the target, we can set all order for reaction. So let's check if we got any cluster. Yes, we do have a cluster. So guys, we can set order for reaction at the target. So if the price will get here, we can expect reaction. Reaction for 10 pips, okay? Stop loss 10 pips, take profit 10 pips. So risk to reward is 1 to 1. Reaction setups are usually more risky. So we can, if you are usually risking 1% per trade, you can do it like 0.5%, okay? I'm gonna set order because we are not too far from this target. We are around 16 pips away, so we can do it in next hour or two. So let me open platform, but I'm gonna risk a little bit less, okay? I'm gonna risk 0.5%, not 1%. And remember, this is USD CAD, and later on we got some news coming up on USD in Canada. So we can set order, but we're gonna have to remove it before 2:30. Okay. All right. Look, on Friday they've done the targets as well and reaction at the target. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So the target is at level 37786. 37786. That's our target. This is gonna be our trade. Okay, so advanced order, pending order, risk mode. Uh, okay, and minus 100, so 10 pips stop loss, and I want to risk 0.5%. No, 0.25. $2,500 for this trade. Okay, take profits, price, points. Okay. All right, order for reaction is set at the target. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. But we're going to have to remove it before the news, because if we're going to have news later on, we might see something like this or like that. So we don't want to hit stop loss. So let's say 1 p.m. and we can remove that order. Okay, it's all set. So I'm going to just make a screenshot. I'll put that in trading journal. Okay, this is USD CAD, 1 hour time frame. Order set for reaction at the target for 10 pips. Risk to reward 1 to 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, so order is set. We can wait and see what's going to happen. Let's go back to GBP USD. Okay, there is a breakout, and maybe we're going to have retest now. And after strong reaction of buyers, maybe we're going to open position. We will see. So a few more minutes, guys. Okay, USD JPY, 1 hour time frame. There is target and cluster at the target, yes or no? Yes, but USD JPY, it's not my favorite asset for reaction, okay? We might have a reaction, but I won't set the order, okay? Because sometimes USD JPY is going crazy. So it's better to leave it. The same on gold. I never set order for reactions on gold, okay? Because it's too risky. All right, so what's going on here? Let's remove that. 36 pips away. Checklist. And the rotation channel, it's hard to say. Here we got only one reaction. We got more reactions here and some undershoots. Interesting. Okay, let me just remove it. 4-hour time frame, and we are in bearish market structure or bullish. I think we might be still in bullish market structure from 4-hour time frame. Because if we look at the latest swings, okay, here we had a break of structure, so we were in bullish market structure, bullish trends. Then we got some pullback, but I cannot see any other swings over here. If we're gonna break through last swing, market structure will change for bearish. But at this moment, we are still in bullish market structure. So the target is somewhere around here. Might be better to look at this target, but it can be hard because we got some trend line over here, and this can stop us. First of all, we need to wait for exponential moving average, of course, and we need to break this trend line so we can think about that target, okay? Of course, we can drop lower, okay, to this target. If we want to do that, we need to do it from lower time frame because we can look at market structure from 1-hour time frame, and I think we are bearish at this moment. But we are too far from exponential moving average. So I want to sell high, not low. This is low. For me, too low to sell, okay? So I need to see the price going up a little bit so I have more space for my trade, okay? So we can use this trend line basically. So we can wait for the pullback and then we might retest this trend line again. And from lower time frame, it's quite easy trade, I can say. If we're gonna add any trend line right here, if we're gonna bounce from the top of this rotation, it's not a rotation channel, but if we're gonna bounce from this resistance zone and we're gonna break through, we're gonna have plenty of space. And if we're gonna set our stop loss, it will make sense because it's gonna be outside on the other side of resistance line. So for us, it's much better. And 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, yes. So this trade can work, but for this one, we're gonna have to wait maybe even till tomorrow, guys. Okay, some of the plans we can make a plan, but we need to wait for the plan sometimes till next day or 2 more days. I don't mind waiting. If I got plan, I know what to do. I can look in 5 hours time. Okay, if the price will get somewhere here, okay, I can think about the trade. If not, maybe tomorrow we're gonna get here and we're gonna be able to use this plan tomorrow. Why not? Why not? So I'm gonna make a screenshot. I'm gonna save it for later. And this is USD JPY, USD JPY, 1 hour time frame. The price is too low to sell, so I need to see pullback to stance line. We'll look for perfect entry. Okay, we'll see later on. Okay, what's going on with GBP USD? This is not retest. They didn't come back yet. It's 5 minutes time frame. I better if we're gonna see something like this, but I want to see somewhere around this area, nice strong reaction, bullish reaction. Okay, so let them drop a little bit lower and we might have our chance. Okay, Australian dollar. target is quite far away. Okay, 433 p. Not sure. 47, 51, 45. Okay, let's leave it for now. Let's check gold. Gold might be much better. The 1 hour time frame. 1 second, guys. We got target, but this target is from different hours. Let's check statistics. It's got 80% chances that the price will come back to this target today. We can use it, of course. And using these targets from different hours basically is very easy. Usually, trend line is enough. Okay. So after the breakout, there is a chance to open the trade. Of course, it's much better if the price is higher, you know. We got more space because over here we might have only, yeah, it's around 100 pips. Uh, Maybe we can use it, but we're gonna use just the target and the trend line. If we're gonna break through and the price will close under this trend line and exponential moving average, we might open the position, but let them go higher because we are getting to this high from Friday. So let them retest this high and then we might have a reaction. Okay. So we're gonna wait for the price to get here, and maybe after we're gonna have strong reaction, if the price will close here from 5 minutes time frame, we can open position. It's gonna be quick trades, um, using just the trend line and target because the statistics are pretty good. More than 80% chances, 80% chances that we are gonna get to this target today. So we're gonna try to use it. Okay. Okay. Do we have any other targets? Let me just make a screenshot. Okay, price need to close under this trend line, under exponential moving average. Maybe risk to reward, maybe 1 to 1. Okay, because it's a bit tight over here. We will see. I'm gonna make a screenshot. No sounds, guys. You should. Can you hear me? Yeah, right. You said you can hear me. Do we have a sound or not? Can you hear me, guys? No. Okay. Okay. Golds under the price there is with 80%. Let's say 80%. Think for the price to retest Friday's uh, high. close under mm, and exponential moving average 21. Open position. Quite easy trade, but it's working, guys. So I'm using these targets, maybe not every single day, but they are working pretty well. All right, so we got gold. Let's check other targets. I don't think we're gonna have other targets. Properties. Mm, 1 hour time frame, and we are looking at standard targets. But we don't have any targets close by. There is one, but it's far, far away. It's around 2,000 pips away. So no chance to open the position. Okay, what about the crude oil? There was a chance in the morning. Basically, I'm in the I'm on this trade, to be honest, but on different accounts. In the morning, I've opened the trade. Pretty simple. The same pending order. I usually use pending orders on crude oil, like here, because when they are breaking through, they usually do not retest the trend line. Here, I can see there was a retest uh, from 1 hour, from 1 minute time frame, but it's looking good. It's looking good. We are dropping down, but it's similar situation for like we had on Friday, guys. Support resistance zone, boom. Support resistance zone, boom. We got target, which is here. Now it's too late to open the position to get to this target because we are after reaction already. Uh, let's check clusters. No clusters over here. So no 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, we are too late now to open the trade. 1 second. Let me just switch account and secure the trade. 2 seconds, guys. Good. Trade is secured. Okay, let's check GBP USD. What's going on here? Is it retest or not retest? Maybe it is a retest, but I cannot see buyers over here. Usually, after retest, I need to see buyers coming into the market. Here, it's looking not the best. There's no reaction. We need strong reaction, okay? Strong reaction. 2 seconds. GBP USD. No, not yet. Gold is getting closer. It's getting closer. Let me just change the target. Okay. So where is this target? It's right here. It's right here. I want to see retest of previous day. This is Friday from Friday. Why? Because if we're gonna get here, there is a chance there will be strong reaction, and we want to use it. because if there won't be reaction over here, there is a chance the price will break through and they gonna fly away. So we need to wait and see if there's gonna be reaction or not. Maybe we're gonna break through and we will see continuation of bullish trend. Okay, so this is important. Few more minutes. GBP USD. This is not reaction what I'm looking for. I want to see buyers, candle maybe like this. This is nice candle. This is nice candle. But over here they stopped and they are fighting. Okay, so we need to wait. Doesn't matter if they're gonna go slowly, we won't enter the position. We can still wait from higher time frame for retest of the cluster, and then we can join. Okay, so no rush, guys. Take it easy. Mm, 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 mm. Take it easy. I think we have gold. It might look the best for now option, and we just need to hit the high from Friday because we don't need big reaction. It can be like this. They can drop to the target and they can continue bullish trend. It doesn't matter. This target got 80% chances that we're gonna come back here today, and let's use it. Let's use this information, okay? This statistics right here, 80%. 80%. We can check previous days. You can see this target price came back same day. Here, same day. They went down, they came back. So usually simple trend line is enough to open the trade. Trust me, guys. Price came back. This one down, this one down. So it's happening every single day. So why not use it? Look, we just need to find the right entry. That's it. Sometimes simple trend line is enough. Okay, so we are getting close to the high of Friday, and let's see if there will be reaction or not. GBP USD. No, this is not reaction what I'm looking for. USD CAD. No, USD CAD, we might be in range till 230, okay? Because we got a very important news later on and the price can move like this all day. I will remove this order, pending order, like 1 hour maybe before the news, okay? USD JPY. No, USD JPY is better to wait. So basically, at this moment, gold is looking the best, and maybe we're gonna have a chance to open the trade on GBP USD, maybe. But this retest is not the best, so we might have another retest, maybe then bullish reaction. Okay, I don't want to enter the position too early, guys. We need to be patient, and we need to open the trade only if everything is working like it should. Okay. I told you I need strong reaction. This reaction is not strong, so I cannot say buyers are coming into the market. At this moment, I can see that they are fighting, buyers and sellers. So let them fight. If the buyer is gonna win this fight, we're gonna try to re-enter right here. It doesn't matter, okay? So we can still re-enter the position, but also we might have drop down here and then we're gonna have reaction, okay? So let's wait. Let's wait. So, did you place any trades today? Mm. Are you using all-in ASAP strategy, or are you using different strategy? Let me know, guys. Gold slowly, slowly. So I have another $30,000 to make in 3 days. I'm not sure if I'm able to do that. I think I can, but depends on the market conditions because $30,000 is not that much. Why? Because I got this account is $1 million account, and 0.5% is $5,000, and I usually risking on this account 0.5%, so it's $5,000. With risk to reward ratio 1 to 2, I can get take profit of $10,000. So basically, I need three good trades, and I can get to $50,000 by Wednesday. But these might needs to be good trades. That's why we need to wait for the perfect conditions. Still, I cannot see opportunity for me to open the trade over here. Some kind of range. Okay, guys, we got few plans. Okay, I think now all we need to do, we need to wait and see if GBP USD we can open the trade maybe soon. USD CAD, I'm not sure about this trade. This is a trade for reaction. Uh, Maybe we will have to remove it. We will see. USD JPY, probably later on or maybe tomorrow. Okay. So no rush. And gold is looking pretty good, but we need to wait for the price to get to the high of previous day. And after reaction, simple trend line, maybe 1 to 2 risk to reward, 1 to 1 for sure, but maybe 1 to 2. Depends on reaction. Okay. All right, guys. So Monday, take it easy. Slowly, we're gonna wait for the perfect situation, and later on, we got another session. So maybe we can use plan on GBP or gold after the session. If not, we're gonna look for some more opportunities later on using price action cycle. We're gonna look for the best setups. Okay. So, guys, for now, I think that's it. I think that's it for this morning. We're gonna see each other later on during US session, so 2 p.m. Central East time. Please come and see how we trade live using price action cycle strategy. We're gonna jump into lower time frames, 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, and we're gonna check also futures contracts. Okay. So, guys, thank you for your attention. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this session. Monday, take it easy. We still got few days to make nice profits, guys. Okay, thank you very much for this session, and I will see you later on in about 4 hours' time. Take care, guys. I wish you all the best and a lot of profits, of course.